We're out here round 2, NGPC at Taft. We had a good day today, good day of practice, and we're looking forward to round 2 tomorrow.
Just got finished with practice today. Went pretty good. I think I got the kinks worked out between the first round and now, so ready for a good weekend. Hopefully we get up on the box.
Hi everyone, it's Giacomo Redondi. Today I won my second race in a row this year, so I'm pretty happy and looking forward to the main race tomorrow.
Silvestri here at round 2 of the NGPC Series in Taft. Super good day yesterday. Spent a long day on Friday, suspension testing, get everything right and ready because, you know, Taft, everyone knows, it's notorious for its big square edges. So we got everything set up on Friday, so it was super good. Just hitting my marks and just had fun out there. And like I said, the suspension felt great and everything felt great. So we're ready to go for today.
Colton Aeck here, had a good day at Taft for round 2 NGPC. Got second. Came from behind, had a real bad start, and just kept in it the whole race. In about the last half an hour, I made a bunch of passes and was able to get into second. Want to get on the top of the box, but it's forward progress, so we'll just keep it going and keep the ball rolling for Blythe. Hopefully get on the top step at Blythe and then keep that going for the rest of the year.
Decent day. Like I said, I had arm pump the first 4 laps and just couldn't get it to go away, and was just trying to loosen up as much as possible. Around obviously like lap 5, midway through lap 4, kind of loosened up a bit, you know, got it to go away. Tried to make up as much time as possible, but obviously it was too late. But hoping for the next one to get some more battles. You know, it kind of sucks just being in your own little zone by yourself during the race, but you know, still happy to be on the box and it's a super decent day, so can't complain.